Good afternoon and welcome to another Caravan video of mine, 1994 lunar planet Saturn. And in this video I'm going to be doing some pre-outing checks. Now, on the way in, I noticed this Morris Marina, and I've seen it before. It belongs to Stephanie of idriveaclassic, and at the moment she's having engine problems because she had the cylinder head done and converted to unleaded. She had to, one of the valves burnt out, so she had it fixed and had the exhaust valve seats done. And now she's having bottom end problems, so engines haven't come out for a bottom end rebuild. And just have a quick look around it. I know this video is about the Caravan, but I couldn't help having a look, a closer look. So anyway, I'll leave it any further. I don't think she's about at the moment. So back to the Caravan. So the first thing I want to do is check the battery now. I forgot to bring my multimeter and I can't be bothered to go back home for it, so I'm not going to bother. I don't know whether you can see this. I'll probably have to try and improve it in post-production. So if you flick the switch there, it's in the green. So and I'll get some more light in the situation. There we go, that's a bit better. And as you can see, it's in the green, so that's good enough for me. I'm just taking these out. You can see how much water they've absorbed. So that's a good thing, they've been doing the job. And I'm sure I've got some more, so I'll put some more out if I can find them. I managed to find them. I got 3, so that's all good. Something I need to do, I need to get that cleaned up. Well, that's what happens when it's in storage for so many months. Right, I'll get these deployed, and I've got a little something else I want to show you. I don't know if I did it on a video or not, so apologies if I repeat myself. Now, a little tip I picked up from one of the caravanners we met at Thornwick Bay, we'll call him Tony, is the awning. Now normally I just put the awning carpet down and I've done it, but the grass grows through it, and when it gets wet it's just a nightmare. So to that end, I followed his advice, got myself a tarpaulin, which is big enough to go in the awning. It needs to be bigger than the awning, and I'll tell you why. But so what you do is you fold it up against the edges of the awning, and you make it into like a little tray, and it keeps water out. You keep dry, but you can't just, if you turn it up, fold it up, it just go down again. So that's what these clamps are for, keeps it all together. So it's a handy little tip. I don't know if I've shown this. I found these on Amazon. If I remember, I can put affiliate links, and then you know where to get them for yourself. You can do the same on your own awning. So that's it for this particular video. It's only a quick pre-outing check. Everything seems to be okay. There's no damp. I've had the moisture absorbers do the job. See the difference between that one and the full one? That's full of crystals. So definitely doing the job, keeping the damp at bay. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, click that notification bell, and you get notified when one of my videos comes out. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.